Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we'll be talking about Dogecoin and how to make money with them. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Cryptocurrency is growing so fast that many speculate it will soon take over the physical currency. As the world is now heading towards e-commerce, soon all the transactions will be made in crypto, which will make it the leader of the monetary system. Talking about cryptocurrencies, if you're watching this video right now, you already have heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, among other cryptocurrencies that are rising very fast and has literally changed the lives and fortunes of many people overnight. One of these rising cryptocurrencies is Dogecoin. Dogecoin was launched in December 2013 and now it has about 129 billion coins in circulation and a market value of $8.75 billion US. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin is one of the easiest and fastest crypto that you can buy or invest in. It enables one to make peer-to-peer transaction on a decentralized network. Like money, you can spend it and transfer it wherever you want in just a few simple steps. The payment system through Dogecoin is effortless and free from the traditional banking fees. Your Dogecoin can be used to buy from merchants who are willing to accept it. One of its striking features is that there are about 129 billion Dogecoins in circulation compared to 19.09 million Bitcoins. Its abundant supply and reasonable prices make it more attractive for investors. A short history of Dogecoin. Dogecoin started as a meme featuring Japanese Shiba Inu dog. What was initially intended to be a joke has now become one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies in the world. It has made a staggering progress within a short span of time. So it all started when a man named Jack Palmer, who was a marketing manager at Adobe in Australia, joked on Twitter that he was thinking of investing in the crypto market. To follow on his joke, he bought dogecoin.com domain and then pasted a note on it saying that if anybody is interested in turning this seemingly jokey idea into a reality, contact me. Here enters our second game changer into the scene, or it wouldn't be wrong if we called him the real game changer, Billy Markus. Billy Markus, a brilliant software developer at IBM who was really interested in the idea of developing a cryptocurrency, came across Palmer's note and contacted him. These two guys teamed up to build what would become one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the world. Wait. Are you wondering how this coin came out of nowhere and became so popular? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The answer is that luck and Musk played a very crucial role in the development of this coin. The coin took its start from the Reddit app. Whenever people would like a post or comment on Reddit, they would tip the content creator in Dogecoins, which was back then equivalent to 0.0002 cents. Using this coin for the purpose of tipping, people got popular, which in turn made the coin extremely popular. Over the years, this expanded. And now comes the Musk part. In September 2018, Elon Musk came into contact with Jack Palmer on the issue of Twitter scam bots. And by the twist of fate, Musk fell in love with this Dogecoin. Over the course of the next weeks, he will tweet several times about the Dogecoin, expressing his likeness for Dogecoin. And every time he would tweet, the price of Dogecoin would significantly rise. More and more people would flood into this currency, making it demanding. Here are some ways that you can make money with using Dogecoin. Number 1. Hodling or investing in the long term. Don't be mistaken, the word hodl is not misspelled. Back in time, a Bitcoin trader was writing to someone telling him to quickly buy Bitcoin and hold onto it because the price is going to rise. While in haste, he misspelled the word hold as hodl. From then on, it's become a terminology and an acronym for which stands for hold on for dear life. By holding, I mean a long-term investment in the Dogecoin, which has now become something that more and more people are headed towards. It is a buy and hold strategy where you buy Dogecoins and then wait for the price to increase. And once the price increases, you sell your coins, making a handsome amount of profit. In other words, it is a set it and forget it kind of situation where it might take even years. The Dogecoin community is hoping for making one Dogecoin equivalent to $1 by 2025, so the prospects are good for investing in Dogecoin in the long run. Number 2, Dogecoin staking and then lending. Staking is a method of certifying the cryptocurrency transactions. When one stakes, one buys coins but not actually using them, rather keeping them in a cryptocurrency wallet. Then those very coins are lent to a proof of network for verifying transactions, for which you get rewarded a certain amount. This, in essence, turns you into a lender and the network a borrower who will then repay you with interest. Number 3, Dogecoin day trading. Active day trading is one of the most profitable ways to make money with Dogecoin. As we all know that crypto's value keeps fluctuating even in minutes, there is a great chance that you might get your hands on a quick profit. You're supposed to use that short-time fluctuation for your own benefit to either buy or immediately sell Dogecoin and to make a profit off of it. However, there is one problem with that. You must have a rudimentary understanding of price analysis to assess if the token in question is going to gain or decline in value. If you can accomplish this, you can earn money trading Dogecoin all day. Number 4. Play to earn crypto games. It might be funny, but believe me, it's a real way to earn cryptocurrency by playing games. There are various kinds and types of titles in this domain, but maybe one of the best and the well-known crypto games to consider playing is Decentraland. To make it decipherable, this offers a metaverse where players work as they have worked in the real world. They buy land, build real estate, projects and earn crypto, which then can be used for transaction. Number 5. FAUCETS. Cryptocurrency faucet problems with the opportunity to earn crypto by completing simple tasks. There are numerous forums in this realm, and the different goals that you must perform will differ from one side to another. Some cryptocurrency faucet services, for example, require you to solve CAPTCHAs. And the good thing about this is that you don't need any prior experience at all to earn crypto. You might be asked to play newly launched games for which you will be rewarded in crypto, and then you exchange that crypto into physical currency. Number 6. Trading real goods in Dogecoin. If you're interested in making money with Dogecoin and you're also a merchant, then it's easier for you to make money with it. Instead of charging your clients physical money through traditional ways of banks, you can charge them Dogecoins. Its advantage over the physical currency is that its value keeps changing, and in the case of a price spike, you can earn more than what you would have earned in the physical currency. There can be a possibility that the price goes down once you get your hands on the Dogecoin. But even then, you can hold these coins till the next phase of price spike and then sell them. The only thing you need to do is to find a platform that will accept Dogecoin. CoinGate, CoinBank and BitPay are some of the channels that accept cryptocurrencies. Number 7. Dogecoin mining. One of the easiest ways to make money off of Dogecoin is to mine it. Many people using AISC mining devices to mine Dogecoin, and even there are Bitcoin ASIC miners that will also mine Dogecoin for you. But you should remember to use more advanced, technologically equipped and highly efficient ASIC devices to earn more from the Dogecoin. And once you've mined Dogecoins, invest them in the aforementioned areas to become more prosperous. Number 8. Crypto arbitrage. Since crypto sector is not thoroughly regulated, there are variations in terms of prices. For most of the exchanges, the price is decided by themselves, which has made it a volatile asset. If you're well researched, then you can use your crypto knowledge to buy from cheap resources and then resell them for high price exchanges. A simple profit of 10% will bring you significant amounts of wealth. Well guys, that's all we have for you for today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then please be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you have a great day today and we'll see you in the next one.